Well, welcome to room R749, and this is I would class it as more of a solo cruise cabin, but obviously it's designed for two people, but this is located directly at the aft or the rear of the ship, and hopefully you'll learn from this if you decide to book this room. So let me take you around this particular room and show you exactly what it's like. So as you walk into the stateroom, you have a mirror to the left just here, hello, and then you have your open wardrobe to the right leading to the bathroom. There are plenty of hangers you have there, so we should be okay for that. Then of course on the top there you have your life jackets, and then we have a cupboard here, of course, with the safe in. Now the safe is okay for valuable documents, but you won't be able to fit a laptop in or large electrical devices. And be careful, because normally there is a piece of cloth at the bottom, but on this one there doesn't seem to be. So be careful with anything delicate. Okay, so let's move into the bathroom, and you have a small corner shower here with the White Company shower gel and shampoo just on the wall there. You have a small washing line going from left to right there, and then obviously a handle there just so to stop you from slipping over. A couple of rails at the back of the door. Then you have your towel rails, the toilet situated there, and then the sink with a shaver socket just there. Sometimes they have them in the ceilings, but luckily enough they've got it at a more sort of appropriate level there. And then you have more hand gel just there, and tissue paper and some towels down there. Now I believe the towels down there are actually beach and deck chair towels, so make sure you bring them back because I believe you get charged for them. So plenty of mirrors, there's me again, look. So it makes it a lot, well, it seems a lot bigger than what it is, but proof will be in the pudding after I've been in here for 2 weeks. So let's move back out here, shall we? Then on the back of the door you have the muster station. Now that says we have to be deck 7 next to the Havana, which I believe is the theatre. Please forgive me if I get that wrong. Then we have the air conditioning control there, and then you can see that the beds have been made up for 2 single people. I did ask originally for the beds to be joined up to make a queen size. Now what I have noticed are there are no USB sockets anywhere. Obviously you've got your light switches there and on the table lamps, but there are no USB sockets whatsoever, given the age of the cruise ship as well. Then we have the small desk with the phone just in the corner there. No USB sockets, but 2 UK sockets. And then down here we have where the hairdryer is located, a small stool there, waste paper bin, and then a small fridge just here. A kettle for tea and coffee making facilities, and a drawer there with tea and coffee, and a few biscuits if you get the munchies. And another, obviously, UK socket there. Now the TV isn't going to be too, well, it's not too big, is it? I think it's seen better days, but there's plenty of films that you can access, and these are all free of charge, and it does have normal terrestrial TV, and of course you have the remote control down there in which to do this. Well, thank you for watching this stateroom tour, and this is of course Stateroom R749, and that is deck 14, Riviera deck. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and notification bell for similar videos like this, and of course more informative information about cruising. Thank you so much.